Hello students, now we continue with the data structure. We are seeing the different data structures in data structures available. We have seen in last session array. Now we see how the array represent in memory. So what we saw that array is nothing but it is a data structure which is the homogeneous data structure and which is store the data in sequential or linear manner or a continuous manner. Means what? One data structure stored one data value, after that second value, third value and fourth value, like that in a linear or sequence manner. Now when we see the memory representation of array, means what? Memory representation of array means how the array is stored in a memory of computer. When we store the data in computer, that time we have to perform the different operations on that so that we can store the data in a memory. But when we store any data in a memory, then it has a different concepts. Okay, here we can see the linear data array in a memory. So consider that it is a one of the array. The name of the array is the linear array. Linear array means what? It is a sequential array. Sequential array means what? It store the first data. After that it store the second, third, fourth. In a sequential or in a linear manner, we can store the data. Now when we store the data in array, means it is not nothing like that. We can store the one data in a array, means it will occupy only one byte. For example, what happens is we store the one value in a array, or array hold that particular value in particular location, means how much memory it requires to store that value in an array. So it is depending on which type of the data you are going to store. For example, if you are storing the float, then it will require the 4 bytes to store that value. If you are using the double, then it will require the 8-byte memory to store that value. If char, then 1 byte. Like that, it is depending on the data which type you are going to store. That is the data type. Okay. Now see the data. It is a one of the linear array in which it is all these are the index number. That is a 0, 1, 2, 3 like that till the 9, and 201 to 203, that is it is the memory address of these values. Means these whatever here it value we store, it is at the index 0 and its memory address from 2000 to 2003. Means what? In one data address. Now see this diagram. Here 2000, 2001, 2002 and 2003. This is the 4 bytes. In a 4 bytes, it is the equal whatever this data is located at the 0 location. That is, it is the 4 byte data located at the index 0. Then 2004 to 2007. Again, it is a 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte, 4 byte. That is a total 4 byte data is located at the location or index 1. So it is from 2004 to 2007. Now in array, whatever the first address is there, it is, and the cell last address, it is the lower bound and it is the upper bound. So this is the lower bound of array and this is the upper bound of the array. Now lower bound is means what? It is at the 0th location and upper bound is at the 9th location. Total how many locations are there? From 0 to 9. Total 10 are there. And for 1 byte or one location, it requires the 4 byte. Means here our total array is of 40 bytes, as 10 locations are there. 4 location, 4 bytes for the one location. Now, this is a lower bound or it is a base. So we have written the base of the array is equals to 2000. Upper bound, that is the last or end location of the array. It is called as the upper bound. 9 is the upper bound. Lower bound. What is the lower bound? It is the starting point of the array. It is called as a lower bound. Now next one is the W. It is the width. Width, as I told, it is depending on which type of the data you are going to store in an array. It is that particular width. So here we are storing the data which having the 4 bytes for one location, like this. 2000 to 2003, it consists of the 4 location and 1 byte for each location, so total 4 byte. So at the 0, the memory address is from 2000 to 2003, that is the 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, total 4 bytes. It is located at the 0 location. So width of a particular location of array is 4 byte, 4. And as it is a array data structure, all the elements in an array consist of the same data type. So all the locations of array having the same width, that is the 444. So I said that our total array consists of the size of 40 bytes. Now we want to find that the kth location from the array. So k is equals to 3. Now when we see that k is equals to 3, starting address of k is 2012 to 2015. So starting is equals to 2012. So we have written that log LAK is equals to 2012. So what is the 2012? It is a starting address. Location of linear array of k is equals to 2012. Now, by using this formula, we can find out the location of that particular item. That kth here in this example, kth location we are going to find. So, formula is location of linear array kth is equals to base plus k minus lower bound into width. Now, location k that we are going to find. Base is what? It is the starting of your array. In our example, it is the 2000 plus k minus lower bound. Why k minus lower bound? Because suppose here k is 3 and lower bound is 0. So we'll get the answer 3. Sometimes what happens is we can start giving the index from the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 till last one. Now here, as the previous index location was 3, as we started with the 1, it becomes the 4. So 4 minus 1, again 3 becomes as it is. So that we have put the formula k minus lower bound. Now we can put the values. Base is equals to 2000 plus k minus LB is equals to 3 into W is what? 4. So here answer is what? 2012. As base is equals to 2000, k minus LB, that is a 3, and width of that particular location is 4. So 2000 plus 12 is equals to 2012. So location of linear array at kth position is 2012. So it started at the location 2012. So this is the way how the array is represented in memory. So it is depending on which type of the data you are going to store in a memory. Depending, that is, if it is an integer, it is double, it is float, it is character. On that, it changing the different bytes 4, 8, 1, etc. So like this, you can represent the memory of that array